Weather forecasters are projecting 9 to 12 inches of snow, heavy wet snow. So I'm going to see if I can survive the night in this one-man tent. See how it goes. I have a sleeping bag rated for 0 degrees. I think that should be good. It's a mummy bag. I put a air mattress in the bottom of the tent to keep me off the ground. It's a Thermarest, that's the brand. And then there's a 1/2 inch foam pad underneath that. The more insulation between you and the ground, the better. One of the bigger investments in my camping gear was this down sleeping bag. It's rated for 0 degrees. When I zip up the, it's called a mummy bag. Actually, the top part will zip up around my head, just leave my face exposed. But it's pretty warm. Keeps me warm. So far, I've only tested it down to about 16 degrees in a really bad wind chill, and that was out in South Dakota. So I don't know, should work for me for tonight anyways. No. So I am going to put a rain fly over that tent. It's definitely not a night for stargazing. So there's my tent with the rain fly on it. In this case it'll be a snow fly. Got a nice little plastic window to look out. Oh, I was gonna say, if you're a guy, it's nice to have a little, so you don't have to, I've done that before. Use the cup. Careful aim, that's what it's all about. So I'm inside my tent. Brought some reading material with me. Bought this book a while back. Never really looked at it. I went to the NOAA weather site. This is the storm loop. This is for total snow accumulation. So the blue area seems to be expanding up towards the Twin Cities. I'm up here on this part of the Twin Cities, so should get a lot of snow out of it. It looks like probably kind of towards the epicenter.